What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing DogDay from the Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left at a curve, going up and then down towards the right. And then on the ends we're going to bend this down and in towards a center point. Let's fill the center of the nose in black. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start in the center point underneath the nose. Start with the left side, coming down and then up. Go back to the center and do the same thing over on the right. Now we're going to add a fold across the corners of the mouth. On the left side we're going to step in, we're going to bend this out and then down. And we'll tuck the bottom of the mouth underneath. So from the bottom we're going to step up, come down towards the bottom of the mouth, round this out, and then tuck that in on the right side. Let's place the tongue along the bottom. On the left side of the center, I'm just going to round this out, go up and then down towards a fold, step back, come around the outside, and then bend that up. Now underneath, we're just going to draw the outside of the tongue coming down. Now I want to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go back to the side corners of the nose and draw the cheeks. We're going to go up and bend that down. And then we're going to add 2 points of fur along the outside, going out, bend that in. Now the next one we're just going to bend this down and then up. Let's trace the mouth along the outside. Now with the mouth in place, we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side. We're going to bend this in, round up the eye, and then come down on top of the cheek. Let's go to the right side, do the same thing, going up towards the same height, and then down. Let's draw 2 circles on the inside of the eyes. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move out to the side, draw the side of the head going up around the eye, bend this down in the middle, go back up above the right eye, come around and then back down. Now you want to separate the right eye, starting from the top, just going to add a seam, coming in towards the middle and then down. Now we're going to come back to the ears after we've drawn in the arms. Let's start on the side of the head, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Let's bend the thumbs going up toward the top, round up the thumb, and then bend that back down. Now add a small curve for the palm, bend this in, and I'm going to go to the outside of the thumb, add a seam going out and then down across the palms. Now along the top, let's tuck the first finger in behind. We're going to bend this up, round up the finger, and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to leave a small gap, add the second finger coming down, and then bend that up. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom of the palm, add the third finger coming down, and then up. And then from here, we're just going to bend the bottom of the arm, coming in and then down toward the side of the body. Let's separate the wrist with a curve. And now with the arms in place, we could tuck the ears in behind. Let's start on top of the brow with a fold. We're gonna go up and bend that down. Along the top, let's draw the top of the ear. I'm gonna go up, bend this down, and then bend that back up. Let's round out the tip of the ear, bend this down, and then in behind that top finger. Let's go back to the center of the body and add a circle. Going across the middle. And we'll surround that circle with these small little bumps, starting from the top, working our way around. On either side along the top, draw 2 straight angled lines going up underneath the head. Now I want to bend the body, coming in and then down towards the hips. In the center, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then we'll leave a small gap in the middle, go over toward the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel, go to the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. From the heel, we want to draw the bottom of the foot with an oval. We go out and up, round up the foot, and then bring that back down towards the heel. Now let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to cross the bottom towards the top of the foot, and then bend that back down. Let's go to the outside of the foot, draw the top. We're going to go up and in, and we'll bend that down, sort of aiming towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside leg, and bend this down and then out on top of the feet. Now right where the top of the foot meets the outside of the leg, we're going to add a seam. Bend this in and then down. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves, one on the outside, step in, and then draw that again. Underneath the symbol, we're going to add the patch inside the body, starting on the left, coming down, and then up like a half oval. Now, the last thing we're going to do is add the tail coming out from the right side. Let's start from the hip with the top, going out and then up, round up the tail, come down, and bend that in. Now, I want to add 2 more points along the bottom, so going out and then in, and do that one more time. And then finally, along the top, we'll add the eyebrows. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw DogDay from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.